Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Intuit QuickBooks Online, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Intuit QuickBooks Online, open your web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your email address associated with your QuickBooks account. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, input your password in the designated field. If prompted, complete any two-step verification as required. Once logged in, you will land on the QuickBooks dashboard. To authorize an application, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Account in Settings. In the left sidebar, choose the Apps option. You will see a list of connected applications. To add a new app, click on the Find Apps button. Use the search bar to locate the app you wish to authorize. Once you find the app, click on its name for more details. Review the app's description and permissions required. If you decide to proceed, click the Get App Now button. Follow any on-screen instructions to continue the authorization process. You may be prompted to log into the third-party app to complete the authorization. Enter the credentials for the app you are authorizing. Review the permissions being requested carefully. Confirm that you agree to the permissions being requested. Click on the Authorize button to finalize the process. After successful authorization, you will be redirected back to QuickBooks Online. You should now see the app listed under your connected applications. To manage your authorized applications, return to the Apps section under Account Settings. From there, you can disconnect or configure settings for any authorized app. And that completes the authorization process with Intuit QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.